Hi, I'm Rebecca Velasquez, holistic psychotherapist and yoga and meditation teacher. Today I'm going to be talking about money. So a lot of folks might be surprised that I might be talking about money because I talk a lot about meditation and a lot of spiritual things, and I want to be able to make that connection for a lot of people. So a lot of people really think, oh, to be spiritual, I need to be poor, and there's sort of this Mother Teresa martyrdom attitude. And I really want to be able to debunk that and talk about some underlying issues that a lot of us have in facing money. So money is energy, and it's a currency, it's moving fast, and one person said to me, and it really made a huge impact on me, and it was probably the most impactful thing I've heard around money. And they said, money is an extension of yourself. And when I heard that, I had to hold on to something. It was pretty shocking. A lot of us feel like, I can sort of disappear into this meditation world or spiritual world and don't really have to deal with these very grounded things called money, this grounded thing. So I like to remind myself that Benjamin Franklin, Uncle Sam, George Washington, they're all meditating with me on my cushions. So that's sort of a fun reminder. And so I just wanted to kind of think about those concepts a little bit. I'm going to do a 3-part series probably, or a 2-part. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to get through this, to be able to talk about some things having to do with debt and also budgeting. So this is a really real thing that we need to think about. And one thing to think about after this video is, how were you raised around money? What were some of the messages that you got around money? So for a lot of us, it's thinking, I have to sacrifice my needs in order to survive, rather than I can be prosperous and thriving. So I have some notes I just want to look at. Just how money really is power. So when we really don't take our power back around money, we're losing our power. So money has power to change the world, and it's important that we are clear about the money that we have and that we're using it wisely. So when we're not clear about money, it goes away. Money, as I was saying, it's a currency, it's energy, it's fast moving. So one of the concepts I'm going to be talking about a little bit later, and we're going to be talking about Dave Ramsey and his work, is giving every dollar a job. So I'll talk about that a little bit later. I just want to be able to give sort of an intro to what we're going to be talking about, and really just having you start to think about where you're at with money, and are you meeting your needs and versus your wants. And one activity to do is really write a list of what are my needs, what are my wants, and being able to really get clear about the difference between needs and wants. For a lot of us, it's really confusing, and we spend money that we don't have on things that we want, and then our needs go unmet. So it's really about learning to be financially responsible around money so that we really can make an impact in the world in ways that we want to and choose to. So stay tuned for the next video on money, and we will continue this discussion. Thank you so much. My website, www.RebeccaRVelasquez.com. Facebook and YouTube is Rebecca R. Velasquez. Thank you.